Now class third B. This is class third B. Subject GK. In subject GK, now we are going to study lesson 25, IQ challenge second. Is now you have to open page number 38. So lesson 25, IQ challenge second. Second and page number 38. Now open page number 38, IQ challenge second. Now first question you see, find the odd one out. Find the odd one out. 4 diagrams are given. You have to find which is different. So first you see, find the odd one out. So first you see 4 diagrams are given here. 4 squares are there. One, two, three, and 4. 4 diagrams are given here. The first you see that 2 lines coming from the corner and they join and meet in the mid of a line. In the second you see that 2 lines, they not coming from the corners, not coming from the corners. These 2 lines not coming from the corners. Now third, next, this is also coming from the corners. And fourth, you see here, so here this is A, B, C and D. Which one is odd? You find here. In this case, this line coming from the corners, here also coming from the corners, here also coming from the corners, but here this line is not coming from the corner. So B is odd one. So you have to make the tick in the B. Find the odd one out. So this one is the odd. Now second, you see the second question, in which also you have to find the odd one. 4 structures are formed. One structure you see here, the first structure, and second structure is a circle, and this structure is also the circle but incomplete circle, and fourth structure is a triangle. This is A, it is rectangle. This is B, it is circle. C, it is incomplete circle. And fourth is the D, it is the triangle. So four structures are there. This is the rectangles, this is a circle, and this is a triangle. And here this circle is incomplete. Here this close an area, it completely closes an area, it also completely closes an area, it also completely closes an area, but it is not completely enclosing the area because the circle is incomplete. So C, in this case C will be right answer. So here you have to make a tick in the sorry, this is C, in the C. So here this is art, while art are the similar. This one is similar, and in the 4 diagram only this one the art. Now next, question number 3rd, where find the figure which completes the problem figures. So here now see next question. What is the question? First, figure which complete the problem figures. Find the figure which complete the problem figures. So here one diagram is given here. So this is now see question number 3rd. One problem figure is given. Problem figure. And in the problem figure, you see here it is a problem figure. 2 lines are here. 1 line and the 2 lines are here. And here from this line, this intersect 2 form a triangle. It forms a triangle. And here also same structure. This is 1 line. This is 2nd line. And one more line is there which comes from this region and we divide it into 2 parts. So here this region is completely empty. This region is completely empty. And here one line completes it. It is far more clearly we can use another color. So here and here also you find it more clearly. So now problem, 4 figures are given and find which complete the problem figure, which will be filled here. So here you see first A, B, C and D. Carefully you see, then you will find that B is able to you make this hypothetical line in this way, that will be make easy for you. This also having such hypothetical, and if you made a line from here. So this diagram is shown by, you see B. So here B is similar. So B can be fit inside the here. So in this case B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. B is in this form. So it is divided into the 2 parts, and here one line is here and one line is here, and one line, this line intersect here. This line comes from this region to this region. You can find here, this may be here, this may be fit here, this figure may be fit here in this region. So B is the correct answer. You have to make a tick in the B. Section B, you can tick. Now see, next one is a question of 4. You can see the 4. In 4th it is in this way. It is divided into 4 parts, and here on a straight line and the arrow in this direction, and here also straight line that connect the arrow in this direction, and here also, and the arrow which is in this direction into this direction. So here which arrow will be? So one structure is needed which in this direction, and arrow must be in this side. So you see here, you find here D. In D section, if you see the section D, you find in the D which structure is found, little more small. So in this way, this is D. So D will be correct answer. This may be fit in this side. So D is the correct answer. Now see question 5. Find the figure which resembles the given problem. Which resembles the given problem figure. So you see the first question, you see Now see the fifth one. Problem figure is given here. This is problem figure, and in this problem figure such structure is formed that contains an arrow, and at the tip of the arrow there is a circle. There is a circle at the tip of the arrow. This is the problem figure. Problem figure, and four alternatives are given here. Four alternatives are given here. You see the alternative first, which is four are given here, which is similar to this one is the. And first you see in the first arrow is found upside the ball, but here arrow is below the ball. And second, you see this diagram is just inverted and arrow is found just below the circle. And here C, you see in case of the C is similar to the problem figure, as circle is kept at the tip of the arrow. And here D, you see that ball is found at the just base of the square. So in this way C is the correct answer. You see in case of the C, the correct answer, C having such diagram, one arrow is there, and at the tip of the arrow one ball is kept. Ball is kept at the tip of the arrow. So this is the, so this is C. So C is the correct option. So in this way you can solve these questions in your the fair copy or the notebook. Thank you. That's for today.